Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna go through how to file and who actually offers a free tax filing for this year. We're currently on the IRS website and here you will find a lot of information about how to file your taxes for free. According to the IRS, there are certain people who are eligible for IRS free filing. Each of the file provides a set of eligibility criteria and rules based on age, income, and state residency. So taxpayers, including active duty military with adjusted gross income of $79,000 or less in 2023, can likely find an offer from IRS to file for free. Essentially, the providers that are over here mentioned from the IRS will give you this option. Here are the providers. IRS free file participants. These tax providers are participating in IRS free file for 2024. So these are the guys: 1040 Now, Drake1040.com, EasyTaxReturn.com, FileTaxes.com, On-Line Taxes, Tax Act, Tax Hawk, Tax Slayer. All these are here provided from the IRS official website, and these companies will file the taxes for you if you are falling under this criteria. So taxpayers, anyone including active duty military who made $70,000 or less in 2023 will qualify for all of this free tax filing using the services of these companies over here, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.